Okay, I want to show you how to record a video within your PowerPoint. So here you've created a PowerPoint. You would go to Slideshow. All right, when you click on Slideshow, click Record Slideshow. Now, you can record from the current slide, record from the beginning. I'm going to record from the beginning. Okay, so it says right here, I can't record video twice at the same time. So what I'm going to do is turn off the video in Loom so that I can open it in PowerPoint. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to close this out. What I'm going to do is turn off this video, but still keep talking to you. And then it should open up in PowerPoint when I get there. So let's close this. And we're going to do record slideshow. Okay. And we're going to turn on the camera. Okay, there we go. So you see down here the options for microphone and camera. Okay, and I can turn the camera preview off, but I like to see what it actually looks like. All right, so then what you're going to do is click record, okay, to start the recording. And it's going to give you a warning. You're going to see the red dot. Okay, we're going to talk about Electron configuration. Then you're going to click this arrow right here. It's going to take you to the next slide. Okay, here we have our objectives, our skills and expectations. Pause it and read it if you want. Okay, so again, we're going to continue by clicking this right here. This is a video that I would show in class, but I'm not going to click on it when I'm making this video of the presentation. But if I do click on it in here,
you probably
it will
know
play
that
the
all
video.
stuff is made up of atoms.
And a second video, I'm going to go past that. Okay, what is electron configuration? Okay, now all of a sudden you're like, oh my goodness, I didn't mean to say that. I made a mistake. This is where it's easy. Press stop. Okay, you can see if I go back, you can see on all the slides where I said something, okay, you see a little picture of me. All right, the rest is live. Okay, you can see where I stopped. So what I want to do, this one is where I made a mistake. So I'm going to say clear. Now I don't want to clear all the slides. I just made a mistake on this one. So I'm going to clear recording on current slide. And how can you tell that happens? See how this is a still picture, meaning it's already recorded. It's going to go as soon as I clear the recording. Now it's a live picture saying I still need to do the recording. All right. So now you go back here and record. Wait again. See the red dot? You're recording. Okay, so I can also use this pen. I can say, what is electron configuration? That's what we're going to find out. So let's see. Okay, so you're going to use the periodic table to find electron configuration. So look, see how this says electron configuration? All right, so the electron configuration for carbon, okay, is 2-4. 2 electrons in the first energy level, 4 electrons in the second energy level. Okay, and then you're going to continue this way through your whole presentation, whatever you want to record. And when you get to a slide that you need to readjust, remember, press stop. Okay, and then you just continue on. Okay, if you don't want to record the video, you just want your voice, then you just turn off the camera. Okay, that's easy enough. When you are finished, you are going to X this out. When you do replay, you can hear how it sounds. Okay, so I'm going to X this out. You can see I only have video on these specific slides. Now you say, now what do I do? How do I save this as a video? Okay, well, here's how. You go to File, you go to Export. Okay, and I want to change the file type. You could also do save a copy. So what do I want to change the file type? Okay, I don't have the options right here. Here, I want to create a video. Okay, now what I found from this is this takes a little bit longer. So what I recommend is save a copy. Okay, and from this option for the file type, scroll down until you see MP4. Okay, and then you save it. And you're going to see, sometimes it'll say this, just say continue without the media. Sometimes it means one thing won't show up right, but for me it hasn't really created any major problems. And then you will see the progress down here where it says creating video, practice video, Electron configuration, right down here at the bottom. You can see that bar slightly moving across. So it's a process. It takes a little bit of time, but very much worth it. So if you want students to give a presentation and they may or may not be comfortable speaking in front of the class, this is an option. Also, if you just want to hear students talk through the process, so you want them to give you the information verbally, this is a great way to do that. So they can narrate the slides, they can narrate their presentation. What a wonderful option. And it's so easy to do in PowerPoint.